What's up everybody? Today we're going to look at this cozy setup with a 10-inch 3-layer mattress. We've got some plush memory foam pillows and a luxurious 7-piece comforter set. We're putting this all together in our freshly assembled bed to see if they'll deliver the comfort that they promise. We're going to be testing out each one piece by piece and getting some much needed rest, so stick around for the full video. Alright guys, so these are the pillows that we just picked up. So they're super box, they're obviously vacuum sealed. Let's go and release the air. These are queen size. When you cut it out of this one, you also get 2 additional vacuum seals. Let's see how quickly it pops up. Almost immediately. Oh, it's nice and soft. It's not memory foam, but it does punch back. It's not bad. So this pillow is available in 2 and 4 packs with different sizes, of course. The pillow's core is made of faux down microfiber, which is like a softy and supportive material, providing you enough support while maintaining firmness and softness at the same time. It's machine washable and it is wrinkle free. All right, so this is the bed in the box. Now we're gonna be putting this on our Airbnb unit here. I want to show you exactly what linens we do, what pillows we do. And these are actually the best items because, well, I'm a super host. We basically need to open this up, remove this from this, and this is all vacuum sealed, so we just gotta basically cut the edge and then this whole thing will just unravel itself. So you definitely want to move this onto your bed and remove the plastic before it fills up. All right, now this is a 10-inch mattress. So this is a 10-inch memory foam. It's got 3 layers. The mattress layer include 1.2 inches of memory foam, 4 inches of comfortable foam, and 4.7 inches of high density base support foam. It's available in 10 and 12 inch thicknesses and different sizes. 10 is the minimum that you want to get. 12 is like super duper great. Now the great thing about this particular mattress is that it's got a built-in durable cover. The foam underneath is not going to stain as easily as it would with the cheaper mattresses, even though this isn't super expensive, mind you. There's also this little ridge here, which is kind of cool. The back underneath is white, so make sure that you put that at the very bottom. All right, so this is the mattress. Now let's get the covers. All right guys, so this is the full comforter set. Guys, 1 comforter, 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, 2 pillowcases, 2 pillow shams. And this is a nice gray color, which is a nice neutral color that everyone's gonna love. And this will fluff up, don't worry. It's super comfy. It's got a little bit of thermal quality, so it's gonna maintain heat and it's gonna maintain coolness. So this is the sheet. Now let's get our pillows on. All right, so here are the 4 pillows and finally our comforter. Comforter just is nice and comfy. And of course we have a flat sheet. Now the flat sheet, you don't really need it, technically. I don't think we're gonna put it out, but it's there. So I just spent the night here. Pillows are nice. The sheet this is super nice and comfy, gotta admit. Very nice. Overall, the mattress is nice and soft. Yeah, for what it's worth, it's definitely good. Yeah, so the sheets are also nice, and the comfort is definitely